Pluto is a dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt, a region of the solar system beyond the orbit of Neptune. It was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in 1930. Pluto is only about 1,400 miles wide, which is about half the width of the United States, and it is approximately 3.6 billion miles away from the Sun. Pluto has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, which expands when it comes closer to the Sun and collapses as it moves farther away. Pluto's temperature is on average minus 387 degrees Fahrenheit, making it too cold to sustain life. Pluto's discovery was a significant event in the history of astronomy, and it kicked off a hectic time for the entire observatory staff. The discovery of Pluto was confirmed by several other astronomers, and on March 13, 1930, the discovery of Pluto was publicly announced. Pluto was immediately hailed as the ninth planet, but it was always the odd object out, and its planetary status was questioned when it was found to be much smaller than expected. Pluto's geology consists of the characteristics of the surface, crust, and interior of Pluto. Because of Pluto's distance from Earth, in-depth study from Earth is difficult. Many details about Pluto remained unknown until July 14, 2015, when NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew through the Pluto system and began transmitting data back to Earth. When it did, Pluto was found to have remarkable geologic diversity, with New Horizons team member Jeff Moore saying that it is every bit as complex as that of Mars. Pluto's color is more similar to that of Io with slightly more orange, significantly less red than Mars. Pluto has 5 natural satellites: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon is the largest and is almost half the size of Pluto. It is so big that Pluto and Charon orbit each other like a double planet. Pluto's entire moon system is believed to have formed by a collision between the dwarf planet and another Kuiper Belt object early in the history of the solar system. Pluto's geological activity is driven both by heat leaking from radioactive elements in its interior and by the volatile compounds that flit between its surface and its atmosphere. Pluto has heat convection cells on its giant glacier Sputnik. There's probably a vast liquid water ocean sloshing beneath Pluto's surface. Pluto's surface is far too cold, minus 378 to minus 396 degrees Fahrenheit, to sustain life as we know it. Pluto's atmosphere is the tenuous layer of gases surrounding Pluto, consisting mainly of nitrogen, with minor amounts of methane and carbon monoxide, all of which are vaporized from their ices on Pluto's surface. That's it for today's video about Pluto.